You could make a chicken sandwich like this, or you could make a real looking, flavor packed chicken slider that's not as perfect around the edges, but has enough flavor to blow your family and friends away. Let's make it together, shall we? First things first, a lot of our flavors coming from the fried veggies in this. Chop up a small onion and 2 or 3 chilies of your choice. I chose the Chernobyl jalapeno from my garden, but this is up to you. Fry them and then throw in some corn, fresh or canned, and lightly fry it too. Don't be shy, make sure you've got some salt in there as well. Now the chicken. I cooked mine on the smoker last night, but you don't have to. I'll be making it even better though, with some Parmesan ranch seasoning, homemade onion powder, and salt. If you don't have the same ingredients, you can also use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. While the chicken cooks, let me know what country you're watching from. I've noticed a lot of people tuning in from all around the world. Now once the chicken's done, shred it up. You can use 2 forks like most people, or throw it in a KitchenAid mixer if you're feeling fancy. Make sure you mix the fried veggies from earlier. Before we go any further, it's time to address the bread. Just melt some butter and brush it over the buns on a sheet pan and bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And these buns go from a 2 to a 10 in no time. Now, I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. If you mix Sweet Baby Ray's and blended peaches, you'll make one of the best sauces ever. My peaches are freeze-dried, but don't worry. You can mash them up or throw them in a blender and add a few spoonfuls to taste, and you're all set. And now for the moment we've been waiting for. Slice your buns in half, generously spread the barbecue sauce we just made, and drop in some of your chicken and veggie mix. And slap on the top bun. And that's it. You have pulled chicken sliders. You can make these for your friends, or eat all 12 yourself. I'm not one to judge. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.